Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Whitney, a nutrition educator out of CCE Chenango County, and today I'm doing veggie skillet eggs. This is a great dish where you can add in so many different kinds of vegetables, so it's a really nice one where you can pack in those nutrients. So you first want to get your eggs ready. So we're going to have 6 medium eggs or large eggs. What do you have or you prefer? So I use some duck eggs that I have at home here. And then I'm adding in a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper. And then I also thought this would be a really nice one. So instead of oregano or basil, why not try a salt-free blend with a garlic and herb seasoning? So I added in a teaspoon of that. And then I also have my third a cup of shredded cheese. Add that in, and then we're just going to mix this. In the meantime, while this is happening, it's a great point where you can get your skillet ready and put 2 teaspoons of oil in it and then get it heated, ready to go. So that way we're ready for our next step. So I'm gonna get this stirred up, and then I'm gonna get my skillet ready to heat up. Okay, so my skillet is all heated, ready to go. I'm gonna add in my garlic. And I'm going to add in my onion, and then also I'm going to use broccoli. So I have some broccoli and onions from our Common Thread CSA share. I'm going to add those in. And you basically just want to cook these vegetables until they're soft. So my broccoli is actually pre-cooked already. And my garlic, I like to use freeze-dried garlic. So basically we just want to look for these onions, and you'll see they'll turn like a clear color when they're fully cooked here. So it should just take a couple minutes. And then what we're going to be doing is pouring that egg mixture over the vegetables. And so like I said, this is a really great one where you can add in so many different things. Okay, so now is the point where I'm going to add in my egg mixture. So I'm just going to pour it over top of our vegetables. And then as it's cooking, just lift the edges a little bit to make sure we get all of the egg mixture cooked thoroughly. This should probably take about 6 minutes total. And then what we're going to do is top it with some tomatoes. And you can put these on close to when they're done or at the end if you want them a little bit warm and cooked to your liking. So we're gonna just lift the edges a little bit here. Make sure all of the mixture flows. There, it's starting to flow over here. Okay. And we'll let this cook about 6 minutes. And as this is just finishing up cooking, the last couple minutes, I'm going to add on my tomatoes because I think I'm going to have mine on just like this. So I didn't have a big tomato, but I do have some cherry tomatoes, so these work perfect. I love the color too. It looks so great. Okay, perfect. So we're going to let this cook just another minute. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to devour some of this. So I hope everybody has a great day. Take care, and I'll see you next time.